Welcome back everybody to my channel, and as you can see, I've already releathered the IWGP Mini Replica Championship, and right now it's raining, so I'll just give you a rundown of the releathered championship that I have done. I don't have the tip, so that's why at the other part it's just a normal tip. But then again, yeah, that's really it. So what I've done is the standard one, which is there. You see it's not focusing there. Okay, so it's just a little bit tuning there, and then I just done the camouflage, or I'm not sure what it is called, but yeah, here you see 7 snaps there, 7 male snaps, a just a bit of space there. Then as you can see the side plates, and I don't have the I'm not sure how to call it, but I don't have that gold tip right there. So what I've done is just improvise and have a small ring on it, so there, just to imitate it. But there, as you can see, the shell there, right there, the middle part, same here, then here. So I'll just move it a bit. So yeah, that's also the same. Then a big space because I only have 5 by 2 snapbacks, and right now the snaps that I already have has already been old, so it's probably like months ago, so that's why it has already been tarnished, but you know, still it's the same. And yeah, same tip. I don't have the signature yet. I don't have my own signature yet because I need to get it, or I've done it. So yeah, this is probably the third time that I have done a releathering. So there still has some hit and miss, but you know, practice makes perfect. Yeah, so we'll just go to the back side. As you can probably see, it is on an old backing as well. I have it already old. So there, yeah, like I said, there are some hit and miss on my real leather, but you know, just for me to learn more about it, that will be fun. There it is. That's the backing part. Initially I want this buttons to be outside, so that in the event that the leather has already been damaged, I can just easily take it apart. But I've just retain it inside of this strap, just to make sure, or just to look it like classic. So there you go. There, little part, then all the way there, right? So then again, that is the IWGP heavyweight mini replica, and I've releathered it, and so far I like how it looks. It has become more legit. Probably I should say that. The one thing that I am, or I apologize if you're hearing rain, because it is, or we are having typhoon at the moment. I really want to add some silvers on here, but you know, just for the sake of the replica, I didn't, or the mini replica, I didn't want any other paints on it, so that's why I just retain it as is. So actually it really looks like the junior, or the IWGP junior heavyweight title. Probably you can see, yeah, it can be snapped, so I'll just go ahead and snap it. Just one, just for you to see it. Okay, where is it? Alright, let's do this one, and then there. Yeah, as you can see, as you can hear that. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Alright, so see, it's already been snapped on. There. It has a flex on it, which is good. See a little close up there, a little close up here. Oh yeah, there you go. That's just my review or mini review of the my Releathered IWGP heavyweight mini replica belt. And again, I would still like to complete this, or I would still like to make this. So probably in the future, if I have other mini replica belts, I'll go ahead and re-leather it. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, and at the same time thumbs up and share to your friends who like belts. And if you want to watch other videos, you can click right there. Or if you want to visit my other videos or my recent one, you can just click right here. And as always, see you next time.